what's up guys, welcome to a new episode of the Mother&Son Co. Today I will be showing you guys a very amazing room where we are staying at COORGE. Our stay where we actually stayed on top of a tree. This is the entry to our place. We are surrounded by bamboo. As we move inside, here we have separate dining area, and then we also have a wash basin, some sitting area as well. And me and my mom and my sister, we had dinner, breakfast for both 2 days. And yahan se, as you can see, this is the room jahan pe my mom and my didi stayed. But the good thing about this is this thing is see-through, so you can actually see through while you're going to the place. So Didi and Mummy ka jo room tha, it's called Sujoti, and they name their rooms and buildings. I've noticed that in Bangalore, Karnataka. Previously, I feel like we were able to go there, but due to privacy reasons, they've closed this. So this is their room. I won't show you their room because this is my room tour, and boom, this is the basic speciality. As you can see, I'm literally, my whole room is on top of a single pillar, and yes, जब भी हवा वगैरह चलती थी बहुत ज़्यादा तेज की, तो my room actually used to shake a bit. As you can see, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे pillars हैं, they've connected it, but wow, this is actually amazing. Like, how have they made this? And then attach see-through walkway as well. But now I'll actually go there and show you guys my room. Alright, so we are here in front of my room. As you can see, even I have a see-through walkway. Some people can actually get really scared, so just watch out before you come here. And this is how the place looks. Now we go in my room, and my room is called Kanika, as you can see. Like I told you, they name their rooms and buildings. And tada! This is my room. Totally wooden work. Pura room wood ka hai. And enter hote hi left side mein we have the washroom. I'll show that to you. But this is the room. There's not a lot, but there's not also very less. There's a bed. We have a table. We have small sofa. And then another chair side mein. A dustbin. Cupboard. Jahan pe they have actually given us machhar marne ke liye Mortine and candle and matchsticks as well. This is actually pretty nice. The room actually has a lot of natural light, but wait, hold on, this is not it. This is the real showstopper. So जैसे ही मैं balcony खोलता हूँ, wow, this is the balcony. ये है मेरा view इस room से, and even more surprising is this. I have see-through walkway या see-through flooring जिसको कह सकते हैं in my room, and मम्मी और दीदी के room में भी same चीज़ है. Another thing I wanted to show you, if you can see here, this is a whole tree trunk जो मेरे को यहाँ नीचे से दिखती है, which is crazy. This tree especially, right? This looks very scary at night because of obvious reasons. You can imagine this is white and everything else just is dark, just black. There's no light here, so at night it can get a bit scary. और यहाँ से I can actually say hi to Mummy and Didi if they were here. They're not here right now. And यहाँ पे we also have sidewalk, which I am really scared to walk on for some reason. In the balcony we also have 2 resting chairs and a table. और दीदी यहाँ अपनी बॉटल भूल चुकी है, but कोई बात नहीं. और दीदी अपनी बॉटल ही लेने आई है. Now I'll quickly show you guys the bathroom, and yes, since this is in the middle of wilderness, we actually get a lot of spiders and insects in the room if we do not close this. So going to the washroom, right? This is the washroom. So this is nothing too fancy, but also fancy at the same time, considering we're on top of a pillar. But yeah, we have a null, we have a shower, and we have instant heater. We have a pot, and here we have a wash basin as well, and jet spray. India is amazing. And this was the room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe button if you learned something new. And this is a must visit place. You guys must stay at this place because I have been to a lot of international places and I have not yet seen or stayed at a place like this. We've just stayed at proper hotels, but yeah, go for it, book this place. It's amazing. And रात को बहुत ज़्यादा noises वगैरह नहीं आती, but then at the same time you can hear crickets in the night and in the morning. But that feels amazing because it's natural. So yeah, you don't actually get really disturbed by it. Plus this place can get really cold, so it's nice and cozy. But yeah, this was it for the room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.